Make a great choice today with 2012 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.